Hi everyone, welcome to Devprime, and today we're going to discover, understand, and resolve problems on distributed systems. Devprime is a developer-centric stack which accelerates complex software development, giving to your team scale, productivity, and improve your time to market. All new applications based on Devprime Stack are cloud-native microservices. Devprime Stack simplifies development of new applications, allowing to prioritize investments in innovation and better business value. Devprime Stack's smart architecture incorporates features which empower your developers. Standardized applications which promote more speed on new projects. Everyone working on a project will be able to work on any other because they got the same internal structure. When services are out, businesses stop to make money. To have a good mean time to repair is essential to survive. In this demonstration, we are going to show you how Devprime helps you to identify failures in production by offering a set of features which enable you to debug your microservices and react faster in case of failures. Devprime supports your team on three aspects of observability: logs, metrics, and tracing. It provides you an indexed log that can be processed over an Elasticsearch and Kibana stack, for example. Every single line of its log has been planned to fit the log analysis needs, making it easier and more reliable. Devprime also generates metrics and distributed trace information on open tracing, open telemetry, which can be used to trace problems across different applications. In every Devprime application, we got auto-generated log created by our stack. Your developer don't need to do no extra effort in order to implement it. And every application using Devprime got the same structured log. Let's react to an event inside our web requests and see what's happened. We got success. React to these web requests across all internal layers inside our applications, such as application, domain logic layer, and save its states in MongoDB and emit an event on Devprime Stream Adapter. This event has been delivered to our RabbitMQ. Payment microservice, in the other hand, received this event. We got communication, and all these logs show us what happened inside our order microservice and our payment microservice in the same way. And in every new request, in every new event, all in a log. Our log shows us what's happening inside each one application. Every application using Devprime has been planned with an indexed log structured, and all applications got the same style of logging, so it fits all log analysis needs. You can analyze this log inside Logstash, Elasticsearch, Kibana, or many others, because this log has been prepared to fit all log analysis needs. But let's suppose that we want to analyze things which happen inside order and starts here but ends in payment microservices, because we got an operation which starts in order microservice but it's a cross microservice operation. In order to analyze this kind of scenario, Devprime enables us an open trace and open telemetry protocol, which help us to use technology to trace our operation across microservices. Let's check it out. This is Ajager. It's compliance with open tracing and open telemetry. This is a tool to verify what's happening across microservices. Devprime has provided information to this tool as well as many others which are compliant with Open Tracing and Open Telemetry. Here we can analyze inside each microservices and each application layer what's happening across microservices operations. In our cross microservice operation, we start in order microservice across all these internal layers, emits and events. Here we save states in MongoDB, and here is our payment microservice. Your developer don't need to do no extra effort in order to enable it. Devprime Stack did it by himself. Every new Devprime application got the same possibility because all of them enable this logging and this tracing and metrics as well in order to provide to your application a good observability strategy. During this demonstration, we must notice Devprime provides you an indexed log where every single line has been planned to fit the log analysis needs, making it easier and more reliable. Devprime also generates metrics and distributed tracing information on Open Tracing, Open Telemetry, which can be used to trace problems across different applications. You don't need no extra effort to enable it. Thanks for watching.